Apple's WWDC 2022 conference is today and much has been made of the chances of new hardware launches. Now the well-connected Bloomberg reporter Mark Gurman has doubled down on his previous prediction that the 2022 MacBook Air will be officially unveiled this week. I think the only way it doesn't as if the China factory shutdowns create such a supply and release date gap that it wouldn't make sense to announce it on Monday, he tweeted. Suffice it to say that would have to be quite a wait. Remember that back in 2017, Apple was perfectly happy to leave a gap of 52 days between unveiling the iPhone X and the handset going on sale in November. And that was with another new bit of hardware, the iPhone 8 getting a 42-day head start. However, those excited about the possibility of new MacBook Air getting a colorful makeover will apparently be disappointed. The much reported idea of the new MacBook Air coming in a range of several colors is probably exaggerated, Gurman wrote in an earlier tweet. Right now it comes in space gray, silver and gold. He added that we may also get his favorite iMac color of blue and that the gold will be more champagne-like. In a follow-up report on Bloomberg, Gurman says that the new Air will likely come in dark blue and a champagne-like gold in addition to space grey and silver. He also says to expect MagSafe charging and dual USB-C ports. If Gurman is correct, it sounds like the new MacBook Air won't be mirroring the rainbow of colors of the two 24-inch iMac, but the more limited palette of the iPhone 13 Pro, which comes in Sierra Blue, Graphite, Gold and Silver. Yes, there is also Alpine Green, but that's a very recent addition and not part of the original lineup. The Bloomberg reporter didn't add anything else, but we are hoping for the first sighting of the M2 chip, as well as slimmed down bezels, more ports and the return of MagSafe. We are not expecting the screen to be upgraded to mini LED tech, however, you can find a summary of all expected changes coming to the next MacBook Air models elsewhere. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and we'll see you in the next video.